Hey everybody, welcome back to Wood Metal Mystery Garage, and here's the sawmill so far, and it's going to be 5 feet long. Right now I don't know how high it's going to be, but it is 20 inches from outside to outside. It's 20 inches, and so far it is going to be massive. And I'm building this and making it functional. And I will be using hacksaw blades. This is all I can get locally. But anyway, I'm building this to make lumber, 1/12 scale lumber. And this is at 1/12 scale. I'll stand back even further. That's what it would look like. Imagine it all the way down the workbench. There's 5 sections. That's section 2 so far. And yeah, I know that's missing. It's split on me because it's right there where a knot is. But I can make braces with it, so it's not a loss. And I do have more over there that I made. It's made out of pallet slats, or what do you call them? Crate slats. It's made out of these. They're about 2.5 inches wide. I get 3 pieces out of it. About 33 inches long. Oh, there. Yeah. Some of these are bowed and twisted, but that's okay. I got more outside. And these are 5/8. I cut because the pallets, these slats are 5/8 thick, a little bit over, sometimes under. So I just cut them at 5/8 square. And what I did here, there we go. I cut them a through mortise, and there's a mortise over here. That's how this is attached. It's all mortise and tendon. And there is no plans on this. I'm building this by thought and pictures on Google of what sawmills will look like. That's the whole thing about it. But it's supposed to be like an 18th, 19th century sash sawmill, the ones that go up and down. And it's a water mill, but it ain't gonna have no water, so it's gonna be all hand crank. That's what the whole thing is about. And also, I'm planning on building doll houses or other industrial buildings. Since the pallets here are free, and use free crappy lumber, and it makes it look more realistic if you think about it. Because right here, it looks like it's hand hewed, but it's not. And the texture and the color makes it look really old. Especially the ones that have the fuzz on it. And if I can show, you got little saw marks from being milled at the sawmill where the wood was made for pallets. It's all offcuts from the actual wood mill itself. They just use it for pallets. But anyway, that's what it's all going to be. It's 2 floors. The first floor is where the sawmill is, and the second floor is actually where all the mechanics are. And it'll have a sides that will open. That way you can see the inner workings of up here, but also down here as the log is being pulled in. Comes in this way, goes out this way, just like an actual sawmill. So stay tuned, and I'll see y'all later. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook. I'll leave a description down below because I'll be taking pictures a lot. And of course I am on my phone, so don't have a camera yet because they cost too darn much. And it will have a roof, and yes, it will have tin on it. Hand-shaped tin, just like the tin that's up here, with all the little riffles or ridges. And it'll be a solid roof or wood underneath, because this is timber framing, because that's how they did it back in the day. And this is not truly square, because back then they did not have things perfectly square. No matter how much they tried to make it square, it was not perfectly square. So that makes this more authentic. But anyway, talk to y'all later. Have a great day.